This is an especially exciting time to be a part of the Strake Jesuit community. The building of Loyola Hall will include a new main entrance to our campus. This new main entrance will help us better welcome and guide visitors to our campus and better manage traffic throughout the campus. Beginning January 1st, 2021, we will start using the Gessner entrance as the main entrance to the school. To ease this transition, here are a few important instructions. Both entrances will be open for student drop-off and pickup between 6:30 a.m. and 8:30 a.m. and between 2:30 p.m. and 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. Outside these times, the Bel Air Boulevard gate will be closed. Students, parents, visitors, and vendors arriving outside these time periods will use the Gessner Road entrance and will be assisted, if needed, by a staff member at the Gessner gate. The Gessner entrance will be staffed Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. to midnight, and for other scheduled events as necessary. Drivers can exit the campus at any time using either the exit at Gessner Road or at Bel Air Boulevard. For more information, please see the document on our website. If you have any questions, please contact Mark Lawrence or Gilbert Cruz from our operations staff. Thank you for your participation in these new and improved procedures for simplifying the experience of visiting Strake Jesuit.